Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I am using two of the molds out of my Resin Mold Express mystery box. I have the Hummingbird Blossom wall art right here, and I looked up some pictures of a hummingbird and I found one that had like beautiful colors, and they're all here. And I'm using TLP. I'll brush them on with a paintbrush, and then I will pour in some fast cure resin and it'll be black because I really want those colors to pop. And I'm also going to do the dragon scale vase mold, and I thought these two colors might be fun to see if I can mix them together. I'm not sure if it'll work or not. Like, should I mix them before I put them in the resin, or should I just have two and do like a puddle pour sort of mix? I don't know. The colors I'm using are Billy Bong, Enchantment, Grenache, Burnt Sierra, Ore, and Saphire. So the Saphire is going to be the hummingbird's head. Then I'm going to use the Billy Bong on the body of the hummingbird. Then there is some gold, or yellow, so I'm using ore in and around the wing area here, just like here, and starting at the tail, and then it sort of goes like an orange and a orangey red, so that's where the Burnt Sierra and the Grenache will come into effect. And then for the flowers, I'm going to use the Grenache and the ore for the center, and I think I should get I don't know if I should use the Billy Bong for the leaves or a different green. I think maybe a different green for the leaves. Hold that phone. I have emerald, which would be kind of pretty, or I have sea glass, which would also be pretty. We'll see what I decide when the time comes. Let's get brushing onto this mold. I see there's something in there. Got it out. Okay. Because this is going to take me a minute, I will fast forward all of this. Oh, rewind that. I want to thank everyone for joining me today. I greatly appreciate all of you. You're an amazing community. I love you all so much, and I greatly appreciate all of your support. I will have all the materials listed below and also my discount codes. Let's get started on the head, and I'm going to keep the eye black. I've mixed up the purple and the green together, and I need, it says 240 to do this mold, and I realized, oh, I can't use the 4-hour fast cure because of how deep it is, so I'm just using regular resin. I know I should probably use the deep pour resin, but I'm not. And for my black for the hummingbird, I am using eye candy. I don't know how to say it, but it's black pigment paste, and I will put a little in that. It says that this only needs 70 mils. So let's hope. I mixed up a little bit more just to be on the safe side. I'm hoping it works. My resin is done, so I will get it out of the debubbler and we'll start mixing. I'm gonna give it a really good stir. I'll just grab another popsicle stick and I will just put a little bit in there. Pigment paste is very powerful. Make sure it is mixed thoroughly, otherwise it will not cure. I saw Michelle from Glitz and Glitter do this, and she hadn't mixed up the pigment paste enough, and there was a spot that didn't cure at all because of it, but she fixed it, so that's a good thing. I'll be back when I'm done mixing this, and I will pour it in the molds, and when they are cured, I will come back for demold. These are ready to be unmolded. Here is the hummingbird and the flowers. Still warm. There's some trimming I have to do. Let's see how this turned out. Oh, wow. Oh, no. Oh, there we go. Whew. Twisted that. Wow, that's pretty. Oh, that's gorgeous. I'm just gonna trim that, but I will take pictures. I have this cute little pot, dragon scale pot. The only thing is, it was supposed to be green and purple and it turned blue. So I think maybe doing separate green and purple and mixing it that way as a sort of marble effect, I guess. Oh, that's pretty though. Wow. Look at the bubbles. That's crazy. I do like it though. It's very pretty. Just clean up the bottom and I will take some pictures for the end. Thank you everyone for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video as I did. That hummingbird turned out beautiful with the flowers. Oh my goodness. Don't forget the discount codes down below, and I'll have all the materials I used as well down below. Thank you everyone, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Now go be creative, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.